Robotics advances open a fascinating world of innovations that seem to be straight out of a science fiction film. While our perception of robots is often influenced by futuristic and fanciful representations, reality is that real technological prowess is redefining what we know about these smart machines. From humanoid robots to aquatic creations, each development promises to have a major impact on our daily lives. Diving without further delay in the captivating universe of the most advanced robots that change our world. Let's go. Digit, a major advance in robotics. What makes Digit so revolutionary in the field of robotics? This 1.52-meter robot, designed by Agility Robotics, represents a significant step in robotic innovation. Successor of Cassie, a bipedal robot capable of walking and running, Digit is distinguished by his humanoid capacities. With a weight of 42.2 kilograms, Digit sails its environment in a semi-autonomous manner thanks to sensors such as the LiDAR. His arms with 4 degrees of freedom allow him not only to maintain his balance, but also to manipulate objects such as opening doors or transporting packages. Digit's ingenuity lies in its treatment system, fueled by 2 multi-year processors which allow it to carry out complex actions in real time. Imagine a robot capable of delivering packages directly to your door, a reality that could soon become common thanks to Digit. This robot is not only a technological feat, but an overview of the future capacities of artificial intelligence applied to robotics. Digit's advances highlight the evolution of yesterday's machines, which were considered rudimentary tools, towards increasingly autonomous and intelligent creations. In the era where robotics begins to integrate aspects of daily life, Digit positions itself as a pioneer, capable of transforming our interaction with machines. As these humanoid robots continue to improve, we get closer to an era when they could play an essential role in various sectors, ranging from logistics to personal assistance. Digit is undoubtedly a major step towards the future of robotics. Pepper, an empathetic robot. Pepper, a 4-foot robot, is very different from machines that seek to dominate the world. Designed by SoftBank Robotics, this robot has the main objective of reading and understanding human emotions. Capable of understanding 15 languages, Pepper detects when someone speaks to him and responds appropriately thanks to a combination of 2 HD cameras, a 3D depth sensor, as well as several sound sensors and lasers that help him navigate in crowds. Launched in 2014, Pepper saw his first 1,000 units flowing in just 60 seconds. Despite the sale of 27,000 units, SoftBank decided to suspend production due to a request deemed insufficient. Pepper has not completely reached the status of emotional genius that society had promised. However, his maneuvering capacities were highlighted during a professional baseball event during confinements linked to COVID-19. With 20 engines distributed in its articulations, the robot has danced in synchronization with 100 other Pepper to cheer up the public. However, this demonstration was not unanimous, some qualifying it as disturbing. Despite criticism, Pepper remains a fascinating example of advances in robotics focused on human interaction. Its conception and functions underline the objective of creating robots capable of understanding and interacting with emotions, thus opening the way to various applications in fields ranging from research assistance. Pepper represents a significant step in the evolution of empathetic robots, even if its commercial success has been mixed. Spot. Spot is often cited as one of the most impressive robots developed by Boston Dynamics. This agile quadruped robot is not content to be a simple gadget. It represents a significant advance in the field of robotics. Designed with an experienced combination thanks to previous robots such as Big Dog and Cheetah, Spot is equipped with 5 cameras, which offer it a 360-degree view of its environment. This allows him to navigate with remarkable precision. With its 12 degrees of freedom, Spot is able to maintain its balance impressively, even in the event of blows or imbalances. This robot is not only fast, it can move at a speed of 1.6 meters per second while carrying loads up to 14 kilograms. Its battery, of a 90-minute autonomy, makes it particularly useful for inspecting places difficult to access, such as those affected by natural disasters. Spot was also integrated into missions alongside the members of the British Royal Air Force, demonstrating its usefulness in real situations. In November 2019, Massachusetts State Police even announced its use as a police robot in a special unit. Companies work to develop additional equipment that can be fixed at its back, such as Trimble, which makes it possible to make precise scans of the surrounding areas with applications in construction and many other areas. While Spot continues to establish itself as a versatile tool, it highlights the impressive progress made in the modern robotics sector. HRP-5P, a revolutionary humanoid robot. What makes HRP-5P so special, and how could it transform industrial work? Developed in Japan, this humanoid prototype of 1.77 meters, or 5 feet 10 inches, is distinguished by its ability to perform intensive work tasks. With 37 degrees of freedom in its members, including 8 per arm, this robot combines agility and power. But it is not only its physical structure that impresses. His intelligence is also at the cutting edge of technology. HRP-5P is able to recognize objects and assess its environment, which allows it to adapt to various situations. In a striking demonstration, it was seen lifting a plasterboard, transporting it to a wall and fixing it with an integrated electric screwdriver. This level of precision could one day allow robots like HRP-5P to assemble buildings, planes, and even ships. Research behind this robot is fueled by the ambition to develop an artificial intelligence capable of working independently in complex environments. By integrating advanced detection and manipulation systems, HRP-5P could replace humans in heavy and dangerous tasks, which could have a significant impact on the industry. Sirena 4. What makes Sirena 4 so remarkable in the field of robotics? Built by the Institute of Electrician and Electronics Engineers in Iran, this humanoid robot is part of a series of fascinating innovations. The first version, Sirena Y, was a small robot capable of playing football and speaking in Persian. Since then, technology has jumped forward. Sirena 4, launched in 2019, represents a significant advance with its 43 degrees of freedom, much more than the 8 of its predecessor. This improvement allows Sirena 4 to execute movements with great dexterity, offering it the ability to grasp objects of different sizes. With a height of 1.7 meters and a weight of 68 kilograms, Sirena 4 is one of the largest humanoid robots in the world. Artificial intelligence plays a key role in its functionalities, allowing it to detect and count faces, recognize activities, listen to speeches, and even converse. Each new generation of Sirena shows impressive technological progress, and expectations are high for Sirena 5, which could become the most advanced robot to date. The main objective behind the development of Sirena 4 is to improve the interaction between robots and humans, making these machines not only more effective, but also more accessible. By combining a sophisticated physical conception with advanced artificial intelligence, Aquanaut. What distinguishes Aquanaut from other robots? Designed for the marine universe, this revolutionary apparatus presents itself as a slender and sophisticated submarine. Its transformation reveals 2 arms, ready to intervene on underwater infrastructure with a minimum of human supervision. His specifications are impressive. Aquanaut reaches a maximum speed of 6 knots, allowing him to travel the seabed quickly. It has a load capacity of 91 kilograms and can operate up to 75 hours without interruption. But what makes him really remarkable are his manipulative arms. With more than 6 degrees of freedom and a continuous rotation at 360 degrees, they allow Aquanaut to carry out complex missions, such as the inspection of oil pipelines or the management of aquaculture products, all without endangering human lives. This robot operates on a robotic operating system, ROS, widely used in industry, but it is distinguished by its autonomy, does not need a direct wired connection to a base. In addition, Aquanaut is the reflection of a significant advance in the field of underwater robotics. Its ergonomic design and autonomous operation capacities make it a precious asset for missions in a hostile environment, such as those carried out after natural disasters. In short, Aquanaut illustrates a new era in the exploration and exploitation of maritime resources, announcing a future where robots will play an essential role in the most difficult environments. Its success may well redefine our approach to aquatic robotics. Ameca, a robot at the forefront of human expression. What makes Ameca so special in the field of robotics? This humanoid robot seems almost alive. Unlike other machines that focus on physical movement, Ameca is distinguished by its ability to imitate human expression. With 17 individual engines, it can create surprisingly lively and moving facial expressions. Designed by Engineered Arts, Ameca uses artificial intelligence and automatic learning systems to understand and react to human behavior. By integrating a series of cameras, depth sensors, LiDAR, and microphones, Ameca detects human expressions and movements, assimilating this information to respond appropriately. This technology places him with light years in front of his competitors. An intriguing appearance of Ameca is her grey plastic face. After trying to produce robots with more human appearances in the past, Engineered Arts noted that these machines were often perceived as slightly sinister, falling into the disturbing valley of human appearance. Ameca is also designed to evolve. Its modularity allows easy updates, and the developers plan to integrate movement capacities, making Ameca not only an expressive face, but also a robot capable of walking and speaking. As this technology progresses, the question arises, are we at the dawn of a robotic revolution? Or do some remain skeptical about these advanced AI robots? Ameca embodies the most recent advances in the field of robotics, opening the way to a future where the interaction between humans and machines could become more natural than ever. The robotic revolution is indeed underway with innovations that redefine our understanding of technology and human interaction. Each robot presented demonstrates immense potential, ranging from autonomy to empathy, promising to transform our daily lives. Thus, we are at the dawn of an era where robots are no longer simple machines, but partners capable of redefining our future. Stay attentive, because this evolution will shape the world of tomorrow.